little blading action. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
I guess I can't be part of this. First, Eric's second time out? Is that your second time?
Third.
This is Max's fifth time.
No. Not even close.
Little skate action here.
Okay.
Let's head back. Hello.